everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of desktop on the application of Suno. You will click on settings like this. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Suno and you will click here. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we'll turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.